Hi friends, welcome to the Next Gen Mastery YouTube channel, the publishing house for new professions. We help you stay one step ahead in the rapidly changing world and learn the skills that will make you in demand in the future. On our channel, you'll find educational videos about new professions that will shape the job market in the coming years. If you want to be ready for these changes, you're in the right place. Today, we have a very exciting topic. We'll be talking about what Chat GPT is. You've probably already heard about this AI, but in this video, we'll take a deep dive into how it works, where it can be used, and how it can change your life, studies, and business. Chat GPT is a powerful tool built with artificial intelligence that can engage in conversations, generate text, help with data analysis, and even create content. It has already become an essential part of many companies and educational institutions. And today, I'm going to show you how you can start using it too. So, what exactly is Chat GPT? It's a language model developed by OpenAI. Simply put, it's an artificial intelligence that can understand human speech and generate meaningful responses to your queries. Chat GPT has been trained on a vast amount of text, allowing it to answer almost any question, from simple ones to really complex topics. But this is not just a chatbot for fun. Chat GPT can become your personal assistant in studies, work, or even creativity. For example, it can help you write essays, create marketing plans, or analyze business data. Imagine having an assistant available 24/7, ready to help you at any moment. Let's look at some real-world examples of how Chat GPT can be used. If you're a student, Chat GPT can explain difficult topics, help solve math problems, or prepare you for exams. In business, it can be used to generate ideas, create content, analyze data, and even handle customer inquiries, like automating chat responses. And if you're a creative person, Chat GPT can help you brainstorm ideas for articles, scripts, or even music. And this is just the beginning. Chat GPT is already being used in fields like healthcare, finance, marketing, and education. Its potential applications are expanding every day. And now for the exciting part. We've created a special book and course that will help you learn how to use Chat GPT from beginner to confident user. In this book, you'll find step-by-step instructions, real-life examples, and tips on how to integrate Chat GPT into your daily life or work. Whether you're new to AI or already familiar with it, this book will guide you through the world of artificial intelligence. You can find the link to the book in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn how to use cutting-edge technology to achieve your goals. We live in incredible times. The world is changing faster than ever, and we are on the brink of a new technological revolution. Artificial intelligence, the metaverse, automation, all of these things are no longer just science fiction, but reality becoming part of our everyday lives. If you want to stay competitive and in demand in the future, now is the time to start learning new professions and technologies. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any important updates and lessons. We'll show you how to prepare for the future, what professions will be in demand, and how AI can help you become more successful. Join our community. Together, we can reach new heights and be the first to succeed in this new era of technology. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming content. Thank you for being with us, and we'll see you in the next video.